I'm going to our life group service today. Look at me. This is a headband. I want to keep this, but my mom says that I should like tail this one. Jeez. So guys, what I'm gonna do today is this. I'm gonna finish doing this thing. Hey vlog. Good morning. So it's currently 5:59. It's almost time. There's one number waiting ahead. Oh, I'm trying to make this vlog more fun. So I woke up early today, guys, and I'm done doing my devotion. Let's just not think that I filmed this a day later, guys, because I forgot to film yesterday. And I am going to hang some clothes, so let's go. This looks super
Kulayan.
good. Guys, so I just got home from jogging. I'm so glad. So right now it is 5:58. My cell phone is low, but today I'm going to do my yoga, or I forgot. So I'm using this gratitude. This is not sponsored by gratitude, okay? But I'm using this.
Take a deep breath in, breath out. Let's begin. I'm now in control.
Hey guys, so we're eating mango with sugar. This is really good. Hi everyone, thank you guys for staying till the end of this video, and hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!